Hello, and welcome to another Xton Quick Take. In today's episode, we are going to be looking at installation of Xton Access Manager to a Windows 10 computer. This happens to be my laptop, nothing special, it's about 5 years old, and we're going to use that for our demonstration today. So let's get started. Okay, so before we start the install, let's get the clock up on the screen. So, like any other installation, you click Next to begin. License agreement is available. Go ahead and read that, and when you're satisfied, click I agree to continue. Here's the different modules that are available with every installation of Xton Access Manager. For the purposes of the demonstration today, we're just going to use the defaults. Click Next. Destination location, this is where you want to install it to. Default path, or choose to browse somewhere else. Click Next when you're ready. This will be where you define the first administrator account that will be used inside of the system. So go ahead and either use the default login, enter your password, or feel free to change this information as you need. Click Next when you're ready. If you want to use federated login, enable the option and enter your path. If not, leave it default, which is unchecked, and click Next to continue. Now it's going to go ahead and download all the components. Depending on your download speed, this could take anywhere from 30 seconds, perhaps 60, 90 seconds. But it will download all the components and begin and complete the installation process. And we're just about done here. And there we go. So here we have Active Directory integration. If you want to, you may obviously integrate with Active Directory by entering your LDAP server and then your user ID and password. Click Connect when you're ready. If you choose not to, if you don't wish to, simply leave it as default and click Next. Integration is successful, so we're going to continue with that. Now it's going to go and set up the services that are running in the background. While this happens, this is very important. You want to take this information here that's already highlighted. You want to copy that from the installer. I'll just create a simple text file on my desktop here. But you want to take that information and you want to save it to a file and then store that file somewhere in a secure location. This will contain your master password, your database password, directory password, your initial administrator account that we created a few moments back. All this information is available here. It will only be visible here. So please do take this opportunity to save this information to a file and then save that file to a secure location. There you go. So once the pop-up comes here, you have to enable it. This is again confirmation that you have saved this information. Very important, save that information, check the box, click Next, and that's it. So now the software is installed and ready to go. So let's uncheck that, click Finish. I'll open up my browser here, and we'll go to our login page. We did not choose an SSO or federated login, so the default is just localhost 8080/xtam. Enter that. When it does ask for a login, this is going to be your initial login. So either if you did incorporate or integrate with Active Directory, you can put in your Active Directory account here, or you're going to want to use that account that we created during the installation process. First install requires the application initialization, so go ahead and click Initialize. This will take a few seconds, and there you go. Now the software is installed, configured, and ready to be used.